We'll start with a nice deep breath in and out. Do that for me again. In and out. The arms foot out to the sides and drift back down. Again, breathing in and out. In and out. Just gently floating up and down. Make sure the shoulders are relaxed. And this time, bend at the elbows, gather in, and press down for sinking the chi. Breathing in and out, sink the chi. And if you're not already there, this time take a 1 foot, step it out about shoulder width or so. And now the arms come out in front of us, lifting up and floating back down. Or opening the door. Breathe in and out. Just gently floating up and drifting back down. And this time, round your arms out in front of you like you're giving a nice big hug. Fingertips come together and open the arms and drift back together. Nice deep breath in and out. In as you open, out as it drifts back together. And now one hand will drift to the top of the chest and the other will follow underneath at the hips and embrace the moon. Toss that moon up into the sky. Switch your hands and catch it again. Do that for me again. Toss the moon into the sky. Switch your hands and catch it again. Deep breath in and out. And give that nice big hug again. And sink the chi. Breathing in and out. And at the bottom, interlace the fingers, bring them up over your head and back around, back to where you started, down here at the bottom. Interlace the fingers and up. And this is holding up the heavens. Nice deep breath in and out. In and one, sink the chi. And we'll scoop up. One hand will make an L, the other will stay in a nice loose fist. We'll take this fist to our cheek and bring the L out and squat down just a little. And this is drawing the bow. Scooping up. Leave one hand in the nice loose fist and the other hand makes an L. Draw your bow and squat. So the L is like your sight. You look through your sight and draw your bow. Nice deep breath in and out. In and out. Sink the chi. Now from here, one hand will reach up high towards the sky, and one hand will reach down towards the ground. We'll bring our hands back to center, catch the moon, and switch our hands so this hand will reach up to the sky and this hand will reach down to the ground. And this is separating heaven and earth. Catch that moon. Separate heaven and earth. Catch that moon. Separate heaven and earth. Deep breath in and out. In and out. And bring it back to center. Sink the chi. Bring your feet just a little bit closer together. Arms down by the sides, palms out. Look one direction and turn in that direction. Back to center, palms facing back, palms facing out. Look in the other direction and turn. Back to center. And this is Wise Owl Looks Behind. Deep breath in and out. back to center, sink the chi. We'll put our hands on our knees. We'll look over one shoulder. Dip our head. Look over the other shoulder. Back to center. Look over that same shoulder. Dip your head. Back to center. And just keep it going. And up, sink the chi. Deep breath in and out. And step your feet just a little closer again. And we'll bring our hands under our armpits, down our back so you can lean a little back. Down your knees, even down your backs of your legs. And up. Deep breath in. And out. In. And out. And back. Sink the chi. Step your foot loose, just a little wider. Two loose fists at your hips. Punch one hand out. Open up your hand. Circle your fingers around. Make that loose fist again and bring it out. Bring it back. And same thing with the other hand. Punch out. Open your hand. Circle. Loose fist. Bring it back. Nice deep breath in. And out. In. And out. Punching and glaring. Or punching with angry eyes. Either way, you're looking ahead, you're punching, and you're bringing it back. And sink the chi. And bring your feet a little closer together. And now we're going to bounce on the toes. Up and down. Up and down. Breath in and out. In and out. And hold. And let it fall down. Sink the chi. Maybe step a little wider.